Can you imagine paying for your next family's vacation simply by putting together an investment portfolio that is unique to you and your family's risk tolerance and financial situation? Crazy? I don't think so. In fact, I did just that while I was on maternity leave. My name is Kiana Danial. I'm the founder of the Invest Diva movement. I'm a 3-time published author, professor of wealth management at universities in New York and in Tokyo. You've probably heard of me or seen me on TV and media like Forbes, Time Magazine, Fox Business, CNN, and a lot more. And I was named the personal investment expert of the years 2018 and 2019. So when it comes to designing a unique investment portfolio for your family, I'm your go-to gal. And I have a brand new masterclass coming up to show you how to grow your $500 into $10,000, into $20,000 and more without being a math whiz, and in the time that it takes for your kids to nap. So go ahead and click on the link below to sign up for my upcoming masterclass. Here's a disclaimer. Of course, investing in the financial markets involves a risk of loss, and this is not going to be a get-rich-quick scheme. This is in fact going to be the means to help you become financially free and calculate your risk tolerance. So if you're ready to take action, if you're ready to make your money work for you, go ahead and click on the button. I will see you in the masterclass. I'm super pumped. And in the meantime, of course, make your money work for you.